Okay, we've got reteaching here for the area of parallelograms. So if you are retaking parallelograms, you're going to watch this video and make corrections on your summative as you watch. After you watch, you'll pick up the retake practice and do that in order to retake. So for the area of parallelograms, we're using the formula area equals base times height. And remember, we talked about how the base and the height always have to form a right angle. So we are looking for that corner that is labeled as a right angle, and those are the two pieces we're using. So all three of these shapes are parallelograms. They are not composite shapes. They don't need to be broken down. So we're simply going to look for the right angle, and in this case our right angle is here. So 7 and 7 are our base and height. We're going to multiply together to give us 49 square inches as an area. For our second one, our right angle is labeled here, which means our height is 3 and our base is 5. So we're going to multiply together 3 times 5, which gives us an area of 15 centimeters squared. And for our last one, our right angle is right here. So our base is 7, our height is 6. We're going to use those two pieces. 6 times 7 gives me a total area of 42 square meters. So parallelograms, just base times height. Once you've watched this and corrected your original summative, you're going to pick up the retake practice on parallelograms, which is on my side counter. You're going to complete that for extra practice before your summative retake, and then you're going to bring me your original summative and your retake practice on Wednesday during STAR in order to retake.